One wrong SUV can quietly drain your bank account, and you won't even realize it. Until it's too late. Sounds dramatic. It's not. It's real, and it's happening every day. Let me ask you this. What if the SUV you're planning to buy, or already driving, is secretly one of the most expensive mistakes you'll ever make? Not because of the price tag, but because of what happens after the warranty ends. Here's the truth no dealership will ever say out loud. Some SUVs are designed to run effortlessly, past 300,000 miles. Others are built to make money for mechanics, warranty companies, and insurance providers. Not for you. In this video, I'm revealing the 10 most reliable, low-maintenance SUVs in 2025, the ones with proven track records, lowest real-world repair costs, and engines that just won't quit. I'll also show you which features secretly raise your insurance, which transmissions to avoid, and how to save thousands in long-term ownership costs. So if you're thinking about buying an SUV, leasing one, or even holding onto the one you got, this video could change everything. Let's get started. 1. Honda CR-V, the benchmark of affordability and endurance. If there's one SUV that consistently gets everything right, it's the Honda CR-V. Average annual repair cost $410, known for outstanding fuel economy, exceptional reliability, and low depreciation. At last, Honda's naturally aspirated engines and CVTs are among the most refined and durable in the market. Curvy owners frequently cross the 200,000-mile mark without experiencing major powertrain or electrical issues. It's simple, efficient, and built with repair-friendly architecture that mechanics love. And here's the kicker. Its resale value is among the highest in the compact SUV segment, meaning you win again when it's time to sell or trade in. 2. Toyota 4Runner, the last of the true trouble-free SUVs in a world of turbocharged engines and fragile electronics. The Toyota 4Runner remains a beacon of mechanical simplicity. Average annual repair cost $5.1 for why it lasts. Naturally aspirated 4.0 LV6, no turbo. Proven 5-speed automatic bonus. Body-on-frame durability that's trail-tested. Most 4Runners outlive their owners, quite literally. Owners frequently see 150,000 to 300,000 miles with nothing but oil changes, brake pads, and tires. And because it avoids complex components, insurance costs are often lower than competitors with similar size or capability. 3. Hyundai Tucson, long warranty, low stress. What makes the Tucson shine isn't just its feature list. It's what happens after 5 or 10 years. Powertrain warranty, 10 years. 100,000 miles of average annual maintenance, $490 why it lasts. Simplified drivetrains, efficient hybrids, and reduce reliance on electronics. This SUV is engineered for predictability. Whether you pick gas or hybrid, Tucsons avoid the costly issues that plague rivals. No turbocharger failures, minimal electrical problems, and a dealer network that's rapidly expanding across the U.S. 4. Lexus GX, luxury that refuses to break. You want comfort, performance, and prestige, but you don't want to refinance your home every time something breaks. Meet the Lexus GX, the most reliable full-size luxury SUV you can buy. Built on Toyota's global Land Cruiser platform engine, 3.4L twin-turbo V6. Average annual repair cost $770. Incredible for its class, the GX offers off-road capability, luxury, refinement, and Toyota-level durability in one unstoppable package. And because it shares components with Toyota's truck lineup, repair costs are far lower than German rivals like BMW X7 or Mercedes GLE. 5. Subaru Outback, the AWD workhorse at Outback was built for people who live where the weather makes driving a challenge. Standard AWD with symmetrical balance. Annual maintenance $600 mileage milestone, 200,000 miles. Plus is common among original owners, and like many AWD systems that wear out quickly or spike repair bills, Subaru's is both robust and efficient. Plus, the Outback maintains strong resale value thanks to its reputation for surviving brutal winters, off-road trips, and long highway commutes. 6. Toyota Corolla Cross, quietly crushing its class. Affordable, durable, and surprisingly refined, the Toyota Corolla Cross is built for people who want zero surprises. Starting price, around $23. Annual maintenance cost $450. Why it works, simple drivetrain, accessible parts, and the power of Toyota's service network. It's not flashy, but that's exactly why it's brilliant. Most owners report well over 150,000 miles with nothing but basic maintenance. and its low insurance premiums make it one of the most cost-effective SUVs to own over 10 plus years. 7. Mazda CX-5. Premium feel without premium paint, and be fooled by its sharp styling. The CX-5 is built to go the distance. Average annual maintenance, $500. What keeps it alive? Proven Skyactiv engines, intuitive design, and minimal electronic failure. Both the 2.5 liters naturally aspirated and the turbo versions avoid the turbo lag and reliability dips seen in European competitors. And because it's a Mazda, not a Mercedes, you'll never pay $800 to replace a $40 sensor. 8. Lexus NX. Hybrid luxury that just works. Luxury hybrids often come with exotic parts and exotic problems. Not the Lexus NX, based on Toyota RAV4. Architectural repair cost, $570. Known for using the exact hybrid components found in the legendary Prius and RAV. For hybrid, that means cheap, available parts, easy servicing, and hybrids that go to 100,000 plus miles before needing anything beyond tires, brakes, and filters. For luxury shoppers who want long-term reliability, the NX is unmatched. 9. Acura MDX Premium Performance. Honda reliability. If you want a refined ride, athletic handling, and real-world durability, the MDX checks all the boxes. Share components with Honda Pilot. Odyssey. Annual maintenance cost, $590. Powertrain warranty, 6 years. 70,000 miles. Its mechanical layout is refreshingly simple for a luxury SUV. And that means less goes wrong, and when it does, it costs less to fix. You get the upscale experience without the $2,000 repair bills every winter. 10. Honda Pilot, the MVP of family haulers when you need space, safety, and savings. The Honda Pilot delivers, seats up to 8 annual repair. Cost, $5 for 2 engine. Reliable 3.5 LV6 with minimal known issues. You'll rarely hear about major breakdowns in Pilots, unless basic maintenance was ignored. It also has one of the lowest extended warranty costs in its class, a testament to Honda's confidence in long-term durability. Let's be honest, buying a car isn't just about horsepower, infotainment systems, or leather seats. It's about trust. It's about knowing that when you start your engine in 10 years, it still runs like it did on day one. And every SUV on this list, that's what they deliver. They don't just drive well, they protect your wallet, time, peace of mind. But remember, even the best SUV can become a nightmare if you fall into the dealership traps. They don't warn you about overpriced extended warranties, insurance premiums based on hidden tech complexity, unreliable CVTs, inverter failures, and resale killers. Good news? Now you know what to avoid. You've got the tools, the truth, and the top 10 list. All backed by data, not sales pitches. So before you sign a loan, hand over a deposit, or trust a salesperson's smile, rewatch this video, check the list, and drive smarter. Because the right SUV doesn't just get you from point A to point B, it keeps you out of the shop, out of debt, and years ahead of the game. Like if this helped, subscribe for honest, mechanic-level insight. And send this to anyone shopping for a car right now. You might just save them a fortune.